one right behind the white car? I guess.
Well, that's a 2-driver car, so it might be a little confusing, but I'd just go up and
see what they say.
Well, I'd follow for this, yeah, for this run, but like next time you might not be, is what I'm saying.
Okay. Yeah, I'm still getting used to this whole, how this thing works too.
Yeah. So do what he does, go all the way over and try to get a nice angle up to the start.
Like that. I know this one goes through and then it's a hard left.
Yeah,
two cones, right, two cones, left, a slalom.
Yep.
And then I kind of...
It's a little like offset and tight, and then fast down the hill into a really tight pitch, long slalom. Just look ahead. You know, that's one of the biggest keys in this sport. Is looking as far ahead as you can. You know.
Okay.
Never get surprised what's coming.
All right. There we go.
Yep. Give it a second, a while. Over there. Looking up ahead. Looking where you're going down the hill then next.
Stay on the inside here.
Yep. Outside. Down, flat out down the hill. Try to find a rhythm, pick up the speed a little bit, try to find a nice rhythm. Looking way over there. Looking way over there where you're going. Yeah, there you go, that's better.
I see, yeah.
Up there, looking way up there.
In here.
Yeah, much better. Looking up around the next one. About 2 or 3 cones ahead.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see that. I can see how that works.
Now back on throttle early. There you go. Looking way over there to the right. There you go. I'll look ahead to find that rhythm. Throttle, on throttle.
Fun. I enjoyed that.
Good.